So I gotta fix this. It's my laptop. That's the motherboard. I had to take the laptop apart. Motherboard, check that. Make sure everything was good. I think I found the problem with the fan going to this piece right here. So this piece right here needs to be soldered right here. So that solder broke somehow. I gotta find out a way to solder it. Solder it. And clean it off and then put the whole fucking computer back together. Oh, and the power switch. This is the board for the power switch. Which goes right here. And then the battery, which is right here, along with that big copper piece right there that goes on top of the motherboard. Then another chip I got to install, another board I have to install. So that's how you take a battery out. This is an OBI unit. So this is all fun. Okay, bye.